Hi there, students. Thunder. The adjective thunderous and the adverb thunderously. Okay, thunder. Thunder and lightning. This is the noise that you get when you have a flash of lightning, and then there's the thunder. But we can use this word thunder or thunderous to describe all sorts of things. Yeah, to describe a continuous loud noise. So there was thunderous applause from the audience. Yeah, the thunderous noise of the traffic as it roared past. They gave the speaker a thunderous ovation. Yeah, the thunderous roar of the digging machine. Yeah, the crowd shouted thunderously. So I strongly suggest you use this word thunderous to describe loud noises. Yeah, it's a much better word than loud. Deafening, booming. Yeah, he shouted at me thunderously. He has a very loud, thunderous voice. Yeah. Okay. The thunderous sound of the roadworks. You could also use thunderous, meaning angry and aggressive. He gave me a thunderous look. He looked at me thunderously. Yeah, there was a thunderous look on his face. Okay, so thunderous, loud, noisy, deafening, booming, roaring. Yeah, there was such the thunderous roar of the sea. Yeah. So thunder. Yeah. The noise that comes with lightning. You see the flash of lightning, and then there is a thunderclap. Yeah, you could say a thunderclap. Boom. Okay, so thunder, thunderous. This, as to formality, I think I would give it a 5 in formality. Use it anyway. Use thunderous as well. Maybe I'd probably give this 5.5, maybe 6 in formality. A thunderous roar. Could you use it informally? I suppose you could, but it's rather descriptive. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing is a brilliant word to use instead of loud. Shows off what a fabulous vocabulary you have. And then, as to origin, okay, thunderous comes from an old English word, thunderous, an old English word, pundor, which has got the sound of thunder, from Germanic punraz, meaning thunder. Yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European sten, so the sound has changed, meaning thunder as well. I think this is related to astound and astonish as well. Okay, so I hope you all give me a thunderous ovation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Thunderous, thunderously, thunder.